I'm not liking it. My face is bloody pink. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, hi, my name is Poonam and I make beauty, fashion, lifestyle, makeup, fitness videos any day of the week. So before going ahead with this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Well, today's video is about trying foundation hack which I learned over Instagram reels, and I really want to try it. Lot of popular Instagram influencers have been trying this, and some of the YouTubers have also tried it. So I thought, it's time that I should try it. So yes, today I'll be trying out a viral foundation hack which I learned over Instagram. But yes, without further ado, let's get started. Very first thing, it's like empty face. It's a bare face, like I have not done anything. First thing which I want to do is I want to get drenched my face with MAC Prep and Prime, because it's summer, guys, and during summer I don't like wearing a lot of makeup, but I want my makeup to stay long. So yes, I always use MAC Prep and Prime. So yeah, I'm just drenching myself in it. Okay, after a quick shower, quickly dry this up. It's almost dry. I just pat it with my beauty blender. I hope this really works. Let's see whether it works or not. So first of all, I need a red lipstick. I'm using Faces Canada Pro HD in the shade Bold Wine. So I'm using this lipstick. First of all, I just have to draw some lines like so. I mean, too much of color going on. And over the bridge of nose, I just have to go along. I have nose pin as well. Okay, it's too much red going on. Really, I don't have any idea how it will turn up, because it's too much red, girl. Literally too much red for me on my face. I look like Zumbalala. Now what I have to do, blend it, lightly blend it like so. Oh my god, I hope I don't stain my cheeks. Oh god, I can't blend it, girl. Yeah, I can blend it like so. Okay, I have to rub it. I can't blend it like foundation. I just have to press it and then stretch it like so. I don't know whether I'm doing right or wrong, but this is how I have interpreted. Oh, too much red, girl, going on. Like, do this. You just have to rub this and do this. You have to rub that thing. Maybe my it's not that it's a matte lipstick which I have used. For better finish, you can try some satin lipstick. I don't have, because I don't wear satin lipsticks, so you can try something else as well. Now I have to use some concealer. So I'm using this concealer, as always, my favorite concealer. Okay, that's a lot which I need for my under eye. Just beneath my red thing. I don't know how it will work. Let's try, girl. Okay, it's too much of pink going on, girl. It looks like somebody's mask I'm wearing, and it's too much of pink going on, which absolutely not cute, because I don't like this. It's not blending properly. It's too much of pink going on. Usually they use that brown stick contour. Since I don't like cream contours, I usually do it with my powder contours. So I prefer to skip that step because I personally don't do any cream contours. I prefer powder over cream. So I'll skip that step and I'll just move to foundation. So for foundation, I'm using Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation in this shade medium desert beige, and yeah, in the shade desert beige, and you can see it's totally pink out here going on, and there's too streaky. I don't know what to do with this place. It's looking super bad. If this doesn't work, I'll just wash my face and do the rest of my makeup, because personally I'm not liking it. You get this hint, you see, when you do your makeup and you try something new, you get that feeling that it's not going right. So I'm getting that feeling. Let me blend it more so that at least I can work with it, because this pink is too patchy for me. Honestly, I don't put that much of blush on my face, never ever. Okay, I think it's better now. Now I will add some foundation and hope I'll pull it off. Okay, now I'll just blend my foundation. Some influencers tried not so fully coverage foundation, but I think this pink thing is going on. I won't like that. That's why I'm using a full coverage foundation. It's a super nice foundation, guys. You feel like that's your skin, and it's super blendable. And honestly speaking, wearing this, I feel like too much base going on trying this hack, because actually it is too much base going on. I never do this much of base. You can see the difference is too much. It's actually too much for me. I never do this kind of makeup on my channel. I try to do like, light base. I think I'll break my hand, guys. Too much pink is going on. I'm not liking it. My face is bloody pink. I shouldn't have tried this. It's a mistake, girl. It's a mistake. Let me try some Fix Plus. I hope this time Fix Plus will fix all the mess that is happening around. Okay, let me do the rest of my makeup and I just come back, because honestly too much pink going on. I might use some more contouring and go light over my eyes. And yes, girl, I'll be back. The rest of the makeup I'll put on my Instagram. The Instagram handle is here. You can click it and you can see rest of the makeup which I will be doing for my Instagram. And don't forget to try that. And this one, sorry, I'm not gonna try it, at least for now. I don't know how, once I finish it, how it will turn out. Okay. but honestly there's no point of just dabbing a lot of lipstick on your cheeks because it's pointless of doing that. So I really like how the makeup turned out after breaking my hand completely. I would suggest you to try it. If you really want to go ahead. And yes, it's a free world and your will is also free. So if your will permits, just go ahead and try it. And that's the look I have created, trying out viral foundation hack. It's a yay, no, I don't have to say it. You guys just understood it, like, after watching my video. So yes, if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and share this video with your friends and family. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I post videos on my channel. And yes guys, love you so much. Take care and bye bye.